In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to get the hardware ID from Device Manager on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Right click at the Start button and go to Device Manager. Once the window is up, simply locate the driver as to where you want to know the hardware ID. Let's say, for example, we are going to do this for the cameras. Just simply expand the list for that. Then right click and then select properties. Then go to the details tab. Now click on the drop down after property and simply choose the hardware IDs, this one. And here you can find it from here. So these are the hardware IDs for the specific drive that you want to know from the device manager. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.